in this example, what I'm going to show you is how a VLOOKUP's got to be set up in order for it to work. So again, going back to our game title, if we want to carry that through, there's one key difference that you'll notice is when I go to the mapping table now, I've changed the layout. So now the unique ID's in the middle or the end of the actual information. Now, depending on what you're doing, you might have no power over changing that layout. It might affect database tables, for example. So how do you get around it? So some of you are probably thinking to yourself, well, when we do the VLOOKUP, we'll just start from B and put B colon A, and that'll work the same. So we'll give it a try and see what happens. So again, we want to populate the game title, so equal VLOOKUP. Hit the tab button or open brackets, select our independent barcode or unique ID, add a comma, and this time we're going to always start by the barcode. So we're at column B this time. So say for example I want the game title. So I'll go B, slide it back to A. Now you notice that in the formula box, even though I've selected column B first, it always takes the letter closest to the left hand side. So we can't actually do it because if I do comma 2 comma false, it's going to bring back nothing because it doesn't find a match. Now in this scenario, yeah, 9 times out of 10 you should be able to just cut and always paste your barcode on the left hand side or as left as you can to any of the information that you want to pull. That's got to be on the right hand side. If you can't move it, then this is when you really need to use index match, and I'll do a video based on the background index match and the benefits that index match also has to offer as well. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.